Happy Sunday, everybody. Today's topic, it's not willpower, it's wiring. Welcome to Mindset Sunday on the Daily Spoonful. I'm Dr. Rose, the Primal Professor. Today, I want to shift how you think about discipline, cravings, and control. If you ever said, I just don't have the willpower, stop right there. You're not weak. You are wired by decades of habits, blood sugar crashes, food cues, and emotional patterns. Your brain isn't failing you. It's just doing exactly what it's been trained to do. Seek comfort, seek carbs, seek a quick fix. But here's the beautiful part. You can retrain it. And it starts with awareness, not shame. Here's today's nugget. Healing isn't about trying harder, it's about wiring smarter. One of my clients said to me once, I thought I had no self control. Turns out she just ate a lot of carbs and very little fat and protein. When your body is nourished, your brain gets quiet. And speaking of the brain, if you've ever wondered how much food impacts your memory, your clarity, and your long term brain health, I'll be posting a deeper video, and it's probably one of the most important topics I covered, the relationship of Alzheimer's and your diet. But here's today's strategy. I want you to try this. When you first feel a craving, ask yourself, what am I really feeling? Pause and breathe. Then eat something that nourishes, not numbs. You don't need more willpower, you need nourishment, self respect, and the belief that you matter enough to stop the cycle. Your healing starts with one clear choice, and I'll be right here tomorrow for Macro Monday.